What's going on, YouTube? We finally got another vehicle in. This is a 2008 Chevy Malibu. Got 174,000 miles on this bad boy. We about to hit the E-way. I just left IAAI, just bought this bad boy. My phone wasn't recording. I thought I was recording, but it wasn't. So you see, we still got the thing key tied to the zip tie. We did not come with a radio, so I'm going to have to put a radio in here. But I have no complaints. This bad boy is running and driving pretty good. Alright guys, here we go. This is the Malibu. Just got done vacuuming it. Still gotta do some touch-ups. Took this cup holder out. Like I said, we need a radio. Let me turn this AC on so when I get in the back, do a full walk around real quick. All the tires is good. Got some hub caps coming off though. All the tires is good. Let's see if we can get them seats, them stains out the seats. Get us a radio in. I do need emissions, so well, it has emissions, but it's about to expire in a couple of days, so let me finish getting this bad boy cleaned up. I actually think I need some more quarters. Get this stuff off the windows. Get this bad boy cleaned up. This bad boy sold, but we had no problems driving. Drove excellent on the E-way. Trying to see if I should. Gotta find somewhere to take some pictures at. Probably take pictures in my little spot over here. But let me see if I can get the rest of this cleaned up, and I'll hit you guys in a minute. What's going on, YouTube? It's the next morning. I'm not sure if you guys seen my Infinity, but here's the Infinity. Let y'all get a quick look at this real quick. It's custom painted, brandy wine. You actually close this garage. This is my girlfriend's car. We still got the Malibu and Accord. This is my daily. Let's hit the road, Jack. And we are riding today. We are going to be finishing up the Malibu, I'm sorry. We're still riding good. We're headed to IAAI right now. We still got to get the radio. I got some radios in the back, along with the little kit. I just forgot to get the little wireless adapter piece. And that's going to be that. Got a little traffic. Let's see if we can cut somebody. Okay, we got them. But yeah, so today's gonna be a long day. Got a lot of stuff to do today. Got to get the radio. Got to go to the auction and see if we can find some more cars. And I got to take a picture of my used to be daily, because like I say, I think I'm going to be selling the Civic and keeping the Accord just for something for me to drive every day. I'm probably going to sell the Infinity too, but we're going to see. But I think I'm going to keep that Accord because I just like the Accord. It's like for a daily driver. The Infinity, you know, it's cool, but shoot, that gas be kind of high. So I'll keep up with you guys, keep you guys updated. Peace.